Las Vegas may have a reputation for its casinos and glitzy nightlife, but there's so much more to this desert city than just gambling. If you're an American traveler with a moderate budget, Vegas can be an endless source of entertainment, adventure, and unique experiences that don't require hitting the slots or tables. Thanks for stopping by the SO Epic Escapes YouTube channel. If you're new here, consider staying a while. Click the like button and press the subscribe button. Now let's dive into the top 20 things to do in Vegas that prove this city is far from a one-trick pony. When you're in the city of neon lights, a visit to the Neon Museum is a must. This outdoor museum is home to a sprawling collection of old Vegas signage, preserving iconic pieces of Sin City history. You can explore the Boneyard, filled with vintage signs that have been retired from the city's skyline. Pro tip: visit after dark when the museum's own lights add an extra pop of color. The Bellagio fountains are a free attraction, but don't let the price tag fool you. These fountains put on a jaw-dropping show. Each performance features water choreographed to music and lights, creating a spectacle that's more Broadway than fountain show. Try to catch a nighttime show when the display feels even more magical. The High Roller isn't just a Ferris wheel, it's the world's tallest observation wheel. Located at the Link, the High Roller offers panoramic views of the Vegas Strip. If you're feeling social, opt for a happy half-hour ride, where your ticket includes an open bar for the duration of your 30-minute ride. For a lively alternative take on Vegas, head to the Fremont Street Experience in downtown Las Vegas. Here, you'll find free live music, street performers, and a stunning LED canopy. Fremont Street offers a classic Vegas vibe and an unpolished energy that feels far removed from the glitz of the Strip. If you need a break from neon lights, Red Rock Canyon is the perfect desert escape. Just a 30-minute drive from the Strip, this conservation area offers scenic drives, hiking trails, and photo-worthy landscapes. Plus, the red sandstone formations are incredible at sunrise or sunset. Vegas isn't Vegas without its storied connection to organized crime. At the Mob Museum, you'll dive into the gritty, real-life history of gangsters, law enforcement, and Vegas's mob-fueled past. With interactive exhibits and real artifacts, this museum makes history seriously engaging. If you've ever dreamed of going to Paris but aren't ready to splurge, the Eiffel Tower viewing deck at Paris Las Vegas might scratch that itch. You'll get a 360-degree view of the Strip from 46 stories up. And don't worry, the romantic allure is still intact without needing your passport. For a dose of creativity and culture, head to the Las Vegas Arts District, also known as 18B. Here, you'll find galleries, vintage shops, and quirky street art. First Fridays are a particularly good time to visit, with the neighborhood coming alive with local artists, food trucks, and live performances. Downtown's Container Park is a funky outdoor shopping center made entirely from repurposed shipping containers. You'll find boutique shops, restaurants, and a fire-breathing praying mantis sculpture. It's the perfect spot for a low-key, fun-filled afternoon. Take a trip down memory lane at the Pinball Hall of Fame, where you can play over 200 vintage pinball machines. This nostalgic haven is pure fun and surprisingly cheap, with most games costing 25 to 50 cents. It's a hit with adults who want to relive their arcade days without spending a fortune. While technically not in Vegas, a trip to the Hoover Dam is well worth the 40-minute drive. You can tour the dam, learn about its construction, and get some incredible views over Lake Mead. This engineering marvel provides a nice break from the high energy of the Strip. Another fantastic outdoor adventure awaits at Valley of Fire State Park. Known for its vibrant red rock formations, it's a dream for photographers and nature lovers. Spend the day hiking and exploring. Entry is only $10, making it a bargain for such epic scenery. The Link Promenade is a pedestrian-friendly street filled with shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. Don't miss the chance to ride the zip line, which zooms over the promenade for a fun, adrenaline-filled view. For the foodies, grab a treat at the Sweet Sin Bakery for some unique dessert options. Vegas is known for its shows, and you can find entertainment options to suit all tastes and budgets. From Cirque du Soleil's mesmerizing performances to magic shows by legends like David Copperfield, there's a show for everyone. Keep an eye out for deals. Midweek shows tend to be cheaper. Located in downtown Vegas, Neonopolis is a 3-story entertainment complex filled with quirky attractions, restaurants, and bars. You can check out Axe Monkeys for those who want to try axe throwing, or get a tattoo at a unique parlor. It's a bit eclectic, but very Vegas. For an Insta-worthy excursion, visit 7 Magic Mountains, an art installation just 10 miles south of Vegas. The 7 towers of brightly colored boulders stacked in the desert make for a whimsical and striking photo backdrop, free to visit and open year-round. While a bit pricier, a helicopter tour offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Many companies offer 15-minute night tours of the Strip, and they're surprisingly affordable for such a memorable view. If you're willing to splurge a little, it's one of the best ways to see Vegas from a new perspective. If you're into the supernatural, Zach Bagans' Haunted Museum is a spine-chilling attraction where you'll see haunted artifacts, creepy dolls, and possibly some paranormal activity. Even skeptics will find the museum interesting, as it's filled with a unique mix of oddities and horror. For a unique slice of desert history, the Springs Preserve offers nature trails, botanical gardens, and historical exhibits. It's a hidden oasis with interactive displays that showcase Nevada's desert landscape and conservation efforts. Great for a relaxing day surrounded by nature. At the north end of the Strip, the Stratosphere Tower has thrill rides for the adventure seekers. Try the Big Shot, which rockets you 160 feet in the air, or Insanity, a giant mechanical arm that dangles you over the edge of the tower. Not for the faint-hearted, but a fun way to take in the views if you're up for it. From dazzling shows to natural wonders, Las Vegas offers an abundance of activities that don't involve gambling. For the adult traveler with a moderate budget, Vegas has it all: stunning views, cultural museums, outdoor escapes, and some of the best people watching around. So next time you head to Sin City, know there's plenty to do without ever stepping foot inside a casino.